All I have to do is survive the first 5 seconds. We survive the first 5 seconds. We're gonna be Gucci. Just don't do the slam right away, bitch. Yeah! Yeah! Suck my socket all the way. I want your nose to touch my fucking pelvis. Go all the way with my balls in the throat. Yes! Imagine that was a fucking headhunter on top of it.